impact because um, in that stream of cloudiness from the Pacific Northwest into the north central states, there's quite a bit of heavy precipitation and high winds under that. And then probably the most impactful feature going on right now is this swirling low pressure center that you can see here where my cursor is over Lake Huron area. So this low pressure system is very intense and it's producing widespread damaging winds across the Great Lakes region. And some of these wind gusts, particularly over the lower lakes region, uh, are incredible. I mean, they're some of the highest just gradient winds I've seen